I earned my degree online at Arizona State University. I chose to get my degree at ASU because I knew that I'd get a quality education, they were recognized for excellence, and that I would be prepared for the workforce upon graduating. To be associated with ASU, both as a student and alum, it makes me extremely proud, and having experienced the program, I know now that I'm set up for success. Learn more at asuonline.asu.edu.
Greetings. Welcome to the Monte Cristo Dog Show. Today we are going to be discussing the latest in technology. So, sit back and enjoy our show. Greetings. Rebecca Jones here with the latest in technology. Unearthing a treasure. The return of Chaplin's original gold. Charlie Chaplin's silent classic, The Gold Rush, has undergone a painstaking 4K restoration that brings its original 1925 form back into the spotlight after nearly a century. While the use of digital tools to enhance old films is often divisive, this restoration, premiering at Cannes and shown globally, demonstrates how careful application of modern technology can honor cinematic history. The revival celebrates the film's centennial and provides audiences with an experience true to Chaplin's original vision, one long overshadowed by a later sound version. Chaplin himself dramatically altered The Gold Rush in 1942, turning it into a talkie complete with voiceover narration, reediting, and a new musical score. He believed the new version improved the film, and many audiences at the time agreed. Yet not all fans were convinced. Some felt that the reworking compromised the subtlety and pathos of the original. Adding to the controversy, Chaplin had most copies of the 1925 version destroyed, believing his reimagining to be definitive. Thankfully, in the 1980s, film historians Kevin Brownlow and David Gill began recovering elements of the silent original. A Japanese archive print and segments preserved through unofficial pirate efforts helped piece together a 1993 hybrid version. Even though imperfect, it laid the groundwork for the full restoration that would come decades later. With advances in communication and archival cooperation, the Chaplin office launched a final global search for surviving reels. The restoration was carried out by L'Immagine Ritrovata in Italy, using a mix of high-quality negatives, full-frame prints, and nitrate film. The process took 10 months of precise frame-by-frame work, using minimal digital intervention to preserve authenticity. The result is a faithful recreation of the 1925 Gold Rush, marking a monumental achievement in film preservation and giving new life to a lost masterpiece that shaped cinematic history. Moving on to other news, don't throw away your old electronic devices. You may find gold in it. Let's look at turning trash into treasure, a safer way to extract gold from e-wasting, a world increasingly cluttered with outdated electronics. Researchers at Flinders University have developed a groundbreaking method to recover gold from e-waste without relying on toxic chemicals. Traditional gold extraction often involves hazardous substances like cyanide and mercury, posing serious risks to both people and the planet. The new technique uses a compound commonly found in pool disinfectants, trichloroisocyanuric acid, combined with salt water to safely dissolve gold from discarded devices. Gold's enduring value lies in its excellent conductivity and resistance to corrosion, making it essential in modern electronics. Yet, despite its widespread use, much of the gold embedded in gadgets ends up in landfills. The United Nations reported a staggering 62 million tons of e-waste generated globally in 2022. Conventional recycling methods not only waste water but also release harmful runoff into ecosystems, intensifying the need for cleaner alternatives. The Flinders team's innovation doesn't stop at dissolving gold. They created a sulfur-rich polymer that selectively binds to gold molecules, even in complex mixtures. Once the gold is captured, the polymer can be broken down and reused, leaving behind pure, recyclable gold. This closed-loop system aligns with circular economy principles and significantly reduces environmental impact, while the method is still being tested for large-scale use. It has already shown promise in extracting gold from various sources, including ore and scientific waste. In the meantime, consumers can still contribute by using certified e-waste recycling centers or selling old electronics to scrapyards. As this technology evolves, it could revolutionize how we reclaim precious metals from our digital debris. And that's the news for this morning. I'm Rebecca Jones, saying bye-bye for now. Have a wonderful and blessed day. We hope you have enjoyed our show. Tune in next time for more technology news. Goodbye for now.